Hello my dears, how you can connect any phone to your Samsung TV, easy and quickly. Just follow all this step by step. The first thing I'll do is turn it off, these settings, okay? I'll disconnect to show you how you can do that easy and quickly. The first options you must to access in your phone is settings options, okay? After that, it will show the main settings screen. You just need to scroll down until you find connect devices. After that, it will show many informations in this screen. You just need to swipe down until you find smart view options. After that, it will show this screen. You must to check if your Samsung TV and your smartphone is inside at the same Wi-Fi. The both devices must to be inside in your Wi-Fi. After that, your smartphone will find your Samsung TV and you just need to tap in this information. Sometimes your smart TV will send you a code. You just need to tap a code and put your code and all will be done. You can play games, you can watch movies, and you can play what kind app you want. Is like that. Please, my dears, don't forget, subscribe at this channel. If you want to help our channels to grow up, you can donate any money. Just tapping right here on your YouTube. Thank you, my dears. Until the next video, stay with God and see ya.